Now that you know how to create pivot tables, I can inspire you to use Power BI, Power Business Intelligence. You are probably familiar with Johns Hopkins University dashboard. It's possible to create that dashboard in this Power BI. So what is Power BI? You can just go Power BI and you can sign in with your school or work account. And then let's go ahead and Control F. Let's look on this page for desktop. And you can actually download an application for your desktop, but not necessarily. So you can also work online. I will link in the description below to a video which is in Spanish, but that shows you step by step how to recreate the Johns Hopkins COVID-19 dashboard. I will also link below to this dashboard created by Microsoft. Finally, I'll also link to this example, which is pretty cool because it's not on only one page, but it's on many pages. And you can go to one of the Australian states and you can use Control and select more than one. And then all the data gets filtered nicely. You also have over here a timeline. And then I can go to the second page of the report and I can see more information and I can apply all kinds of filters and I can focus on only something. So it's really helpful information and you can actually spot trends easily with all these visuals. I'm going to sign in and I'm going to get the data and I'll choose a file from my computer. I'm going to choose the file we worked on, which was H1 Sociology. And then I would like to import the Excel data into Power BI. The problem that you're going to see first is that you do not have data formatted as a table. So the first thing you need to have is data formatted as a table. I'll format the data as a table. I just go Insert Table. And then I go back to Power BI. I get the data. I get it from a file. And this time I'm going to use the Power BI and I'm going to import the data. I'm going to click on the data. Then you're going to see it right here. You can even ask a question here, but I'm going to click it and then ask the questions. For example, we can ask what are the total book sales. And then it gives us the number, which is really cool. So we can now go here, turn this Q&A result into a standard visual. And now we have visual. So we can put it where we want, we can adjust it, we can format it, and so on. Now let's try another question. What if we put total book sales by discipline? Okay, and let's see what we have. We have a bar chart. And right here, if you want to change it, you can make it into a column chart. You can resize it, you can move it. Suppose we want to put now a new visual and I'm going to just click in the white space and I'm going to click on total book sales because you know about pivot tables. You see how it goes to the values. So that's a calculation, right? Now we need to have a discipline and under the axis we have the discipline, which is very cool. Let's click on the copyright. It's moved under the values because those are numbers, but we want to move it into the legend right there. Let's change this into a stacked bar chart so it shows nicely. Okay, let's focus on it. So you can see now the purple is 2021 and you can see for each discipline each copyright year, and the purple bars are the biggest except for the research, stats, and introductory. Okay, so let's go back to the report. And then you can move these things around. You can make it how you want. In fact, you can have many pages, not just one. So then you have more space. But what I want to show you now is that if I want to focus on family, it will do that. It will show us, okay, so we have a total book sales of 8 million, shows us the copyright. What if we want to now focus on 2021? So we can show only the 2021 and it shows that part of 2021 out of the whole family discipline. So as you can see, it's almost half. With your pivot table knowledge, you can create great visualizations. And later on in chapter 10, you're going to learn how to get and transform data. And then you'll be able to create a COVID-19 dashboard if you want.